Meet the Panasonic Lumix G7 and Lumix G85. They're both digital single-lens mirrorless cameras and they're now available in India. Let's take a closer look at both of them. Now before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified when we have new videos. We'll start with the Panasonic Lumix G7, which is priced at 53,990 rupees. If you go for the dual kit option of the 14 to 42mm and 45 to 150mm kit lenses, the price will increase a bit to 58,990 rupees. It comes with a 16MP digital live MOS sensor that supports a maximum ISO sensitivity of 25,600. It's powered by a Venus engine that has a quad-core CPU that's set to deliver high-speed signal processing that results in 8 frames per second in AFS and 6 frames per second in continuous autofocus modes. There's a 3-inch free-angle rear monitor with a 1.04 million dot resolution. The camera supports video recording at 4K resolution. There's a built-in burst mode that captures images at 30 FPS, but you'll have to sacrifice the resolution a bit, which will be halved to 8MP in this mode. The Lumix G7 does provide a drive mode dial that is specifically designed to let you quickly activate 4K photo mode. The camera also has Wi-Fi connectivity and a 3.5mm microphone socket. Besides these, you can find features such as focus peaking, creative controls with 22 filters, time-lapse shot, and stop-motion animation. Moving on to the Panasonic Lumix G85. This one's a rugged design mirrorless camera sporting a front structure composed of magnesium alloy. The build of the camera is dust and splash proof as well. It's priced at 72,990 rupees and has a 16MP digital live MOS sensor without any low pass filter. Like the G7, this one too boasts of a maximum sensitivity of 25,600 and is powered by a Venus engine that supports 4K video at 30 or 25 frames per second. Also, there is a 5-axis dual image stabilizer that is claimed to enable a robust and effective blurring suppression. Besides this, the G85 has a light composition feature under the 4K photo mode to enhance the lighting in low light shots. Additionally, there is an integrated focus stacking feature that enables the adjustment of depth of field after shooting by combining multiple images shot with the post-focus function. The camera also has a preloaded 4K live cropping feature in video recording and a raw data development in camera, multiple exposure, and time-lapse shot and stop-motion animation. The camera has a 3-inch touch control monitor and an OLED live viewfinder with a 2.3 million dot resolution. Both cameras are now available for purchase through all Panasonic stores across the country. So that is our quick first look at the Panasonic Lumix G7 and the Lumix G85. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.